Oh my god, dude! Oh my god!
Powerful winds knocked down trees and mansions. Tornado destroyed a lot of mansions in Texas, New York. Absolutely, this is too much for these people. I wonder what they might be going through during this period of, windish everywhere, people running around for their safety. Guys, let me know what you think about this video and keep your opinion right there in comment section.
Crazy, bro. I need my mama to answer the fucking phone, bitch. Like this is crazy.